All right, language explorers. So let's look at this Friday's Friday idiom. So a slim chance, like a really small chance, like less than 1%. Very small. Yes. When there's a small probability of something, a chance, you know, one in 100, 1 in 1,000, or 1 in 200, yeah. There is a slim chance we will get the green light. It has a slim chance of winning. He has a slim chance of being here early. Early, yeah, definitely. Seeing her was a slim chance. Yeah, we only had a slim chance, yet it worked. Wow, we had a slim chance, but it worked. How cool is that? Yeah, yeah. We have a slim chance to be there on time. Looking at the way these trains are moving and how delayed or how bad the weather is, there is a slim chance that we will be there today. There's a slim chance. This is bad, that is bad, reducing the chances of being there today. Yeah. They only have a slim chance to see me. Yeah. I have a slim chance of being there. She has a slim chance of seeing me tomorrow. Yeah. Very good. Yeah. Okay. Anything. We entered the competition. She has a slim chance of winning the race. Yeah, but she will still try. Yeah. They thought that I had a slim chance, but I proved them wrong. Well, but I still won. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. It's like a slim chance. What are the odds? Yeah, very low. So, can you use slim chance in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian and Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah, how cool is that? So English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.